What's up, everybody? We are back, and if you are interested in using some totally insane, borderline weird internet marketing tactics to launch an insanely profitable online business, you are in the right place. That's right. And today we are going to be doing something different, all right? I've never done this before, and we'll end up spilling the entire enchilada in this very video if you want to make money online, all right? Because I love teaching it. Yes, it's your boy here, Jamie Lewis, and after 20 years of my own obscene online revenue, I want to give back. So welcome to the video. So before I get started in giving you this crash course in how to make money online in 2025, make sure to subscribe to the channel, all right? I just got to say it because I've been dropping knowledge bombs here for over 10 years. And there are many, many videos that you might want to check out on all sorts of different subjects revolving around internet entrepreneurship. So in this one, I will be giving you that crash course in a totally unique way, doing kind of like a showcase or a review of my Facebook group because it's the 1-year anniversary, all right? And because I have contributed like crazy knowledge into it in the last year, call this an epic review. I'll talk about all the different lessons that can without a doubt help you with a completely thorough education when it comes to everything internet entrepreneurship, all right? So regardless if you wanna join the Facebook group or if you just wanna watch this video, heck, some people don't like Facebook groups or having to join Facebook groups, so then just watch the video and you're gonna see 1 year condensed into this video. So without further ado, let's jump into it. The first time you enter the Badass Class group on Facebook, you're gonna see a banner where I'm gonna talking about all these different subjects we cover, you know what I mean? Entrepreneurship, product launching, affiliate marketing, domaining, Kindle, copywriting, video marketing, SEO, price points, paid ads, artificial intelligence, graphic design, email marketing, reputation, consulting, events, stage performance, closing, funnel design. You get the drift, all right? So after you get approved, to be honest, it's extremely easy to get approved. It's free to join. So once you've done that, you're gonna see the timeline where there are students making money all over the place. They're selling domains, high ticket sales, affiliate commissions, massive success. I hope this inspires you. You could do it, my friend. It's all in the lessons, all right? So an easy way to access all the different lessons is if you click on the media button. That's what we're gonna do first. And then of course, under photos, a lot of those photos represent multiple diatribes of excellent information, I have to say. And remember, there's also videos like this, so it's kind of hard to fail here. So welcome to the Badass Class group. Let's look at some of these lessons. These are the priorities. These are the things that matter, my friends, all right? So this is an actual example of when somebody emailed me and bought a domain that I owned for $5,000. I talk about the exchange I had via email with the buyer. This here is an explanation of how I was the first person to use VSLs, otherwise known as video sales letters, in 2006. I show the screenshots to talk about the thought process, right? And that's what matters. Also talk about how gurus are getting pissed because now they got to make videos. Here I talk about how I turned a car auction database into a hip hop beats database, which made over 1 million with it. This is where we go over some numbers and the potential of how much you can make from different price points. Price points are important, right? This is the entire Bible of how to create videos, as you can see in the picture there. I'm a big video guy. And this is understanding the psychology of demand and business models. I go over dozens and dozens of examples of what these niches really mean here. And then we talk about the power of before and after pictures. And this is the entire official launch checklist in detail. You know, you want to do 6 or 7 figure launches? Read this. And then here's an idea dump. See, sometimes I like to do that here. I feature 10 ideas because I can't do all of them. You know what I mean? I come up with a lot of these ideas, so I give them out to you guys. I do it a lot. And then here's total instruction on how to create videos really freaking fast. And I've got a pretty good streamlined approach to that. And here's an actual concept that I've done many, many times where you create an AI. It's almost like your own AI algorithm. I started doing it before AI came out, actually. This example is the survival machine. You can also do the get your X back machine, dog training machine, you get the drift. And then here's a niche dump, all right? This is where I drop a whole bunch of different niches. And then this is the levels of the traffic game. I, again, in detail, go over the explanation of what I'm talking about. Now here's a free logo prompt, as you can see. That logo there is badass, in my opinion, and I'll give you the actual prompt that I used to make it. You just fill it in the brackets. Now here are my findings with AI. And then this is the poor man's way of split testing. It's very clever. It's very clever. It is very easy also, you know, and it saves you a lot of time and money. And then here's the process of creating a VSL, otherwise known as a video sales letter, using nothing but AI. And here's another step-by-step explanation of the process when creating your own digital product and making millions with it. And then here are 2 amazing strategies to finding, capturing, incredible domains, all right? The first strategy is expired domains, and the second is hand-registered domains. And then I give tons of examples and show you which words to use. I circle my choices from an expired drop list and explain what constitutes a good domain, etc. Here's a student who's showing off his new domains and the appraisals. And then here's some history I drop in detail how I built my business while living in this pile of shit house in Staten Island. We came out with an affiliate program for the Facebook group. It actually works too. You can make sales just by referring people to our free Facebook group here. And then here's an update with our paid badass class membership. We added new modules that are freaking crazy. And then here's an update with the live classes. This is a crazy domain dump here where I'm basically giving everyone choice premium domains. That happens a lot. And then here's a survey that we did asking everyone how much money they made. It's pretty cool to see you guys prospering. That's right. And then here's how to spot a fake guru. You got good gurus, you got shadow scammers, you got assholes, you got fake gurus. There's all colors of the rainbow. It's pretty eye-opening. And then this is the power of what you're putting on your to-do list. We talk about repetition here. We talk about your intentions. It's quite good. And this is the copywriting manual, all right? This goes over every possible aspect to copy. It's like the copywriting Bible. There's literally dozens and dozens and dozens of gold nuggets in this. Moving down the line, here's another update on how you do sick graphics. This post right here goes over how easy things could be when you don't have strings attached, how cross promos can be a shortcut, especially YouTube cross promos, how I made 80K from some other guy's YouTube video. And then this one talks about the business models from an order form from easiest to hardest. It's taken years to come up with this, and especially from seeing what business models students thrive with and which ones they don't. There's 24 of them. And then here's another update from a student posting that he purchased a domain. And this here is everything traffic generation. A very good post talking about faceless videos on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and then how to maximize your time to get the most traffic for free. And this here is how to use our AI assistant. This is an update from a student getting a ton of traffic. And then this is a launch that we did and we included in here so everybody could participate in it. Turned out great. Everyone made out like a bandit. I did a bit of flexing here, but we just updated the AI assistant. And then we got all these prompts that are automatically available. See, they're already in the machine, so you can just pick a prompt and it's already in there and you don't need to really think. Here's an example of a really incredible ad that was kicking ass. And then this is an update with the findings after a 3-day marathon with AI. And again, it's in a lot of detail talking about when things went right, things went wrong, etc. This is picking apart some of my best copy that I ever created with a student partner, and I provide an explanation of the crucial elements, circled in red. Here's a student reporting that he has his first bid on Flippa. Now here's an example of an amazing beat package ad that I saw here. We talk about that dog training machine and how to put together one of these SaaS products. And here's in-depth explanations on how to crush it with vertical videos, shorts, and reels. And here's the leaderboard update for one of our launches that we were doing all together. And then here's the Guru Hospital, the project that we're all creating together. And then it's time for the entire workflow for creating social media empires. Here are some philosophical rules when it comes to running your business online. And here are my results automating my reels and seeing hundreds of thousands of views from them. Here's a student showing his AI artwork, and it's time for another live webinar that's supposed to be me in the bed. And then of course I show a lot of the subjects that we're going to be going over. There are a lot of examples of using Luma Labs, and this is another quick little trick on how to get tons of engagement on your ads. We released an AI domain software, and I talked a little bit about it. And of course Luma Labs does not disappoint. Here's an example of one of my TikTok videos gone viral. I talk about it. And here again, Traffic Generation Central. I talk about the webinars and what to expect in the new year. And then we do a survey here where we ask everybody what their specific problems were, and I can address all of them, offer solutions. That worked out well in another video. So aside from all these lessons and posts, just so you know, I really only scratched the surface. You got to jump in, you know what I mean? There's also tons of videos and there's tons of posts where there isn't any picture, right? So you're going to find there's a ton to learn. There's dozens and dozens of hours of video. You probably would have to take days to read through all the material and watch all the material. So you're going to be busy, all right? And you're going to be an expert. You're going to crush it. And heck, come back here and tell us about all your success. Like this guy, he did 18 grand. This guy sold a domain. This guy sold a domain. This student got comparable sales out the ass. We got affiliate marketing sales. We got more domain sales. This guy got an affiliate sale. This student got a $30,000 for one domain. It's just never ending, you know what I mean? This guy got 20 million views. You guys got to check this out, all right? So, Badass Class group on Facebook, all right? I'm going to see you there. You got a little bit of, the best part about this video is you got a little bit of a showcase of what works, you know, what's important, the priorities. You got your priorities straight. That's all that matters right there is all that stuff I talked about, you know what I mean? And hey, if you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe. I hope you like the tour. Help your fellow man and woman out so they see it. Thanks to the algo, you know what I mean? So I'll see you guys in a bit. Join Badass Class Group. All right, so I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, later.